So in today's lecture, this is chapter 5, lecture 25, right? Anyways, ideals and homomorphism, definition of derived algebra. Show that L dash is equal to L, where L is equal to SL of 2 comma F, okay? Either the question they can ask for the exam like this, or they can ask in this form, SL of 2 comma C dash 2 comma C dash is equal to SL of 2 comma C, okay? So, and first let me start with the definition of derived algebra. After that I will be proving this, okay? So let L be a Lie algebra. The ideal of Lie bracket, this is a Lie bracket of L comma L, is denoted by L dash. That is, L dash is equal to Lie bracket of L comma L. Note, L is an ideal, so you all have to note that L is an ideal of itself. Also, L dash is called a derived algebra of L. Okay, so this is the definition for the derived algebra of L. So next thing is, let me prove the thing. So before I start with the exercise problem, you all have to know this. Okay, note, we write L dash for L comma L. Okay, Lie bracket of this. And L dash is known as derived algebra of L, and note that L dash is an ideal of L. Okay, so what you all need to know is this one. This is example of SL of 2 comma F has this. Now these are the bases, okay? A is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, F is equal to 0, 0, 1, 0, and this I have given you all in the previous chapter. And I have taken this because this will be required for this today's exercise problem. And let me start with it. So exercise 2.2, let me start with it. Show that L dash is equal to L, where L is equal to SL of 2 comma C, or show that SL of 2 comma C dash is equal to SL of 2 comma F. So solution is what? Since this SL of 2 comma C dash is an ideal of SL of 2 comma F or 2 comma C, okay? Now this is what? Now since this is an ideal of this, therefore I can say that SL of 2 comma C dash is a subset of SL of 2 comma C, right? Now, so it suffices to show that, now what I am supposed to show that SL of 2 comma C is a subset of SL of 2 comma C dash, because here it was what? SL of 2 comma C dash was a subset of this, no, SL of 2 comma F. Now I have to show that this is a subset of this. So first what I'll have to do is, I'll have to observe that for any general element of SL of 2 comma F looks like this, A, B, C minus A. So A, I have to, this is my A part, okay? If you plug it, again you all will get what? A, 0, 0 minus A. So I have taken A outside. Plus B, 0, 1, 0, 0. Plus C into 0, 0, 1, 0. This is what the general element for this will look like. But moreover, like I have taken this from where now? X is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0. So, yeah, instead of this, no, this is my X I have taken, this is my Y I have taken, and this is my H as it is, okay? Now I have to take this basis. So that's what I have done it over here, okay? So X is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, Y is equal to 0, 0, 1, 0, H is 1, 0, 0, minus 1 is a basis for SL of 2 comma C, okay? Now, what is my H comma X is equal to HX minus XH. Now, from where do you get this? In the previous chapter, I have already given you all this. So, from here, no? Lie bracket of X comma Y is equal to XY minus YX. So, I have applied it here. Now, this is equal to what? HX minus XH, no? Now, this is H into X minus X into H. These values you will have to plug. X, this into H minus X, the X into H, okay? So, now this 1, 0 is 0, this plus 0. So, I am getting here 0, okay? Now, this into this I have done. Now, this into this I have to do. So, it is what? 1 ones are 1 plus 0. So, what will remain is 1. So, for this into this into this 0. So this plus this is what? Again 0. Minus, similar way for this one you all do, and you all will get 0 minus 1, 0, 0. Okay. Now I have taken this minus sign outside, so it became plus over here. Okay. And I got here This is my x value, right? X plus x it is. So it is 2x, no? So 0, what was my x over here? 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0. So it is nothing but 2x. Now you all need to find out what is your h comma y. Okay. So how you all are going to find out your h comma y? Is equal to Lie bracket of h comma y is equal to hy minus yh. So this is what, plug the value of h over here. This value you all have to plug there. H into y minus y into h. Okay. Now similar way you all do for this one, and then what your final answer, what you all are going to get if you all solve like this, you all will get nothing but minus 2y. This minus I have kept it outside, okay? So minus and minus 2y. The value of this is of what? This is nothing but y. Now next is what you all need to find out is x comma y. Lie bracket of x comma y is equal to xy minus yx. Okay. So x into y minus y into x you all do, and what you all will get is h, right? For this, now what you all have to do, this minus this. So nothing but 1. This is nothing but 0. Again here 0. And this is minus 1, which is nothing but h. So finally what you'll have to do is, so SL of 2 comma C contains x, y and h, which spans SL of 2 comma C. Therefore SL of 2 comma C dash is equal to SL of 2 comma C, which is a complex, right? C is a complex. So finally you all got the solution. I was supposed to show that this L dash is equal to L, right? This. And I have showed also. With this I am done with today's lecture. In the next lecture I will be doing quotient, quotient algebra and some exercise problems based on that. Okay, and thanks for watching.